Welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, guys. If you want to know how to manage Windows 11 storage spaces, this video is for you. So it lets you group multiple physical drives into a single virtual pool. So for backups, for example, its main advantage is built-in redundancy. If one drive dies, your data stays intact on the remaining drives. So to manage that, you open up your settings, go to System here, then you press on Storage, then you press on Advanced Storage Settings, and then you go to Storage Spaces here. There you go, guys. And in here, you just need to create a mirrored or fault-tolerant backup drive. And also don't forget that you need at least 2 unformatted physical drives as well. So you just click Add right here, add a new storage pool, then give it a name, choose the available disk, and then choose Create. And as you can see, that's pretty simple, but just make sure that you have enough data and that you have the actual formatted empty drive to achieve this. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, subscribe as well.